In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Wix website using site history. Keeping a backup of your site gives you the freedom to experiment, roll back changes, or recover from mistakes without losing work. And Wix makes this process quick once you know where to look. Start by heading to wix.com, logging in, and opening My Sites. Choose the site you want to protect so we're working in the right place. From there, click Dashboard to open the main control center for that site. The dashboard is where you manage everything: design, apps, domains, and it's also where the backup tools live. On the left sidebar, select Site, then click Site History. Think of Site History as your timeline. Wix automatically saves versions while you work, and you'll see each one labeled by date and time, sometimes with notes if you added them while editing. This list is your foundation for creating a reliable backup. If you're following along and need the website, I've placed a direct link to the Wix homepage at the top of the description so you can jump in easily. Scroll through the versions and pick the snapshot you want to preserve. You might choose the latest stable version after a big update, or a version from before a redesign, whatever gives you peace of mind. You can open a version to preview it and confirm it's the one you want. Next, decide whether you want to duplicate or restore. Duplicate creates a copy of that version without touching your live site, which is perfect for backups and for testing changes in a safe space. Restore, on the other hand, immediately reverts your live site to that exact version. Use restore only if you're ready for your public site to change right away. Otherwise, choose duplicate to keep things safe and separate. Finally, confirm that your backup exists. After duplicating, look back at your site history list and make sure the new copy appears. That duplicate now serves as your backup. You can leave it as is, come back anytime to review it, or restore from it later if needed. The key is that you always know which version is your safety net. A quick tip before we wrap up: duplicates are great for experimenting in the editor without risk. When you're happy with changes, you can publish from that version. Also remember that restoring affects what visitors see, so schedule it for a low traffic time if possible. And that's it. You've just created a dependable backup of your Wix site using built-in tools. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.